Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Normally when we go to cafes, we definitely order some finger foods, and today I'm going to show you a fantastic finger food which is cheesy vegetable nachos, cafe style. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe I've taken 200 grams of mozzarella cheese, grate it and keep it aside. Now you can also use cheddar cheese or a combination of mozzarella and cheddar for this recipe. For the topping, I'm going to mix a few vegetables along with some cheese and season it. For this, I've taken 1 cup of green capsicum chopped, 1 cup of red capsicum chopped, 1 cup of cooked corn kernels. So you can see the vegetables are all cut to equal size, a few black olives sliced, a few green olives sliced, 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Next I'm going to season it with 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. You can adjust the spice according to your taste, half teaspoon pepper and half teaspoon salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste depending on the quantity of vegetables or the topping that you've taken. Mix everything together nicely. Finally, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. So mix it all in. You can see the tomato ketchup is coating the vegetables and cheese nicely. You don't want to make it too saucy. This is just to give a nice flavor to the vegetables. Now the topping is done. Keep it aside. Now I'm going to assemble the nachos and the vegetable topping. Take a plate and start placing the nacho chips. Now these are flavored nacho chips that are store-bought. This is a cheese flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice, or you can even use plain nacho chips. Gently start placing the topping onto the chips. Make sure you spread it out evenly on all sides. Finally, top it off with some grated mozzarella cheese. The more cheese you add, you're going to get really nice cheesy nachos. So there you go. The chips are nicely covered with the topping. Next, to melt the cheese, I'm just going to place the plate into the pan. Now this plate is a oven-proof, heat-proof, microwave-safe plate. Make sure the plate is a heat-proof plate. So you can melt the cheese by placing it either in the oven or in a pan like this. Close the pan and let the cheese melt completely. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, that looks amazing. You can actually see the cheese melting. So here you go. Here are these beautiful cheesy vegetable nachos that you can make anytime and enjoy them. They're so quick to make. You can use any vegetable toppings of your choice. Do try the recipe, share it with your family and friends, and enjoy. So there you go. Here is this gooey, cheesy vegetable nachos cafe style. So if you're missing out on those, don't worry about it. You can make them at home and enjoy them. Now I've made it on the tawa, but you can also use an oven and bake it. So do try this recipe, enjoy it, and post your comments and feedback.